guys, I'm getting more and more public alerts on my cell phone. Are you guys too? This is wild. This is the latest I received. It says it's from the National Weather Service. Has nothing to do with weather. It's a civil emergency. Check it out. Hey friends, I just wanted to come to you real quick. I'm parked up at a rest area in, well, I'm in Georgia now. Weird. But I just got a civil emergency alert on my phone. That's what it was called, a civil emergency alert. Now, the name in itself scared the crap out of me. But I open it up and it's highlighting a section of a map, right? So I'm thinking, weather? Is this weather related? No. South Carolina has issued a mandatory home or work. So you either have to be an essential worker to leave your house, or you have to care for another family member, or you can leave to get exercise outdoors, making sure that you stay 6 feet away, all those other things. It doesn't say anything about going to the grocery store or making urgent or essential trips. It's home or work. What is happening here? I included 2 screenshots of the message, well, probably 3 because it's lengthy, and you can take a look. I don't know if this is happening in other areas. It came across on my cell phone because I'm in the area or was in the area. So, I got so many things to say about it, but I'm just gonna leave it alone. And here's the screenshots. Let me know what you think in comments, because something's going on.